Welcome back. Tender process for smart card-based driving license and vehicle registration has been challenged before the High Court. Goa government has chosen to award this tender through switch challenge method. Petitioner company has contended that Goa government is trying to give backdoor entry to the smart chip company. Presently, the work of issuance of smart card-based driving license is done by Goa Electronics Limited. But GEL takes technological support from the smart chip company. The High Court has reserved its order. The CBI court has granted one-day police remand to former attorney of Cerula Comunidad Peter Martins to crime branch. Peter Martins was arrested on Wednesday in connection with Cerula Comunidad illegal plot allotment case. According to sources, 6 former members of Cerula Comunidad and 3 government officials are high on the radar of crime branch for their role in the scam. Meanwhile, CM Manohar Parrikar has assured thorough probe in this case. He claims a scam up to 200 crore rupees. The CBI court on Thursday granted one-day police remand of Peter Martins to crime branch. Present Panchayat Secretary of Taligaon Panchayat, Peter Martins was attorney of Cerula Comunidad when the Comunidad land were allotted illegally. Presently, crime branch is investigating illegal allotments of 18 plots. 6 former members of Cerula Comunidad and 3 government officials are high on the radar of crime branch for their role in the scam. But crime branch is not arresting them as they have filed anticipatory bail petitions. Meanwhile, CM Parrikar has assured thorough probe in this case in assembly on Thursday. He claims a scam of 200 crore rupees.
And म्हणून पहिल्या खेपास इवन सेरुला कोमनिदादीन म्हजे डायरेक्शन पुलिसीक आसा कोणाचेच प्रेशर घेवं नाका केदोय व्हडलो यो म्हाका लागना स्टार्ट गोईंग टू द बॉटम मायनी फाटोफाट स्कॅम आहा ते सेरुला कोमनिदाद तातूंत भितर कमीत कमी 200 कोटीचे तरी मिनिमम स्कॅम जाला आसूंक जाय.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. India assured themselves of at least 2 silver medals in judo on the opening day of the 20th Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland on Thursday. Navjot Chana and Sushila Ligba put up impressive performances to enter the finals in judo. India also made a good start in badminton by blanking Ghana 5-0. Also called the Friendly Games Glasgow 2014 kicked off on Wednesday night with a colourful opening ceremony.
Together, you all play a part in strengthening our friendships in this modern and vibrant association of nations. It now gives me the greatest pleasure to declare the 20th Commonwealth Games open.
He's looking for the Taitoshi all the time, but he can obviously feel the danger there for the counter-attack. So Brandon Dodge is ahead. Oh, and that's going to be a score. Yuko. It's been given match is it going to be? Could go either way, this one. Oh, Chana took him backwards and gets the win.
Hopefully a gold. As we pointed out optimistically, we're looking at 7 today.
Yeah, I mean, Maya first up against Australia and then later on slow Raina.
You know, she's laughing a little bit because of this very, very traditional way of playing.
I think you have to have different ways of breaking down teams. Shot at goal, and it is goal number 3.
Wilmot it is who leads narrowly from McMaster. In fact, they might just about turn together here. Lanes 5 and 4, McMacing. But no doubt about Wilmot looking very strong and touches the wall.
So he's our next man on the track. He's from India. He's the second Indian to take the start. 21 years of age. Amrit Nagai next to go. Now his fellow countryman,
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
Tumi Purita Prudent. You're watching Prudent.